in Buffalo, New York. It's September 1st, 1999. A bunch of school kids just left. This park is generally empty. Fantastic wooded coaster. Why don't you see it? Let's go. As soon as you get in Fantasy Island, there's all kinds of twists and turns to this park. We're going to head to the right. We haven't even been to this part yet, so we're going to see what the heck's going on. There's a train station. See some pretty flowers and pretty trees. There's not a lot of shade in this park. It's the only disappointing thing about this park. It's about the same size as Conneaut as we go up this way a little bit more. Your little sweet shops. And right where that says Fantasy Island, that's the main entrance to the main, like, big part of the ride. But this is so pretty. Look at this right here. This is their carousel. And look how they have it all landscapes so pretty. That's even going to start up first. You can see all the flowers there. That's quite unusual for a carousel to be like its own separate little entity. That is so pretty. To the right is Kiddie's, Italian joint. And over here looks to be their kiddie land. We'll take a look. See the train pulling in. We got a break today, boy. There was hardly anybody on that coaster. We rode it to death. It's a typical kiddie land area. Nothing spectacular. It's goofy looking rides. They look like a dragon ride or something. A Viking ride. We pan down here a little further. We'll get down here. I think there's a petting zoo. We'll check it out. Crazy bus. We're panning to the left. The left of there is the highway. They look like they have a little car ride there. Little boats. Little tumble bug ride. Oh, that's cute. Yeah, look at this little tumble bug ride. We're walking down this, one of the few shady spots in this place. And as I pan to the right, we just passed Kiddie Land. It is some kind of a petting zoo. I don't know how to get in there, but it looks like there's chickens and whatnot. Oh, there's something big over there. It looks like a goat. Let's see what the heck that is. Oh, here it is. Petting zoo. Petting zoo, no push to enter, do not chase animals. Please close gates. So I guess you're on your own when you go in here. Yeah, it looks like one of them llamas or something. Yeah, they got some big animals. I thought it was just like chickens and stuff. Yeah, you can, I guess similar to the Highland Park Zoo, only not as nice, of course. A little wooden, rustic looking thing. But they do have a petting zoo. A pretty wishing well with flowers in it. The heck that? I don't know. They got a little baby train. Look at that. A little baby train with a caboose. And through the trees and stuff, little World War I airplanes. Hey, they go up and down a little bit. Yeah, they got one train. Whoa, wait a minute. To my left, what do I hear? I hear a kiddie coaster. Wow. They got a small coaster. They have two large ones. Well, a wild mouse. I guess they have this double. Wow. Awesome looking thing, though, isn't it? I don't know what the name of it is. We'll find out for you, though. That's the way to start kids out, I guess. Just slice around the track, I guess. No, they get another one. Oh, boy. They like to ride. Oh. Orient Express. There've been a few. We've been on a few of them, but this is like the kiddie one. It's all themed. Real nice. Look at that. Pagodas. Wow. Yeah. That's the kiddie part. I don't know. Down here looks like, I don't know what's down here. Okay, behind the kiddie coaster, there's picnic tables, pavilions, stuff. Looks like a covered bridge. I wonder where that leads. I don't think it leads anywhere though. It's a ride. And more pavilions. And general store. And through that little, where that little gate thing is, that's where the main part of the park is. When you come in, you got to go to the left by the sweet shop. We got it all blocked up. I wonder why. They have a big Wild West show here. Look at all the smoke and the guns. And everybody seems to be enjoying it.
For stopping by Western Town today.
But I got to get back that way. I don't think I'm going to be able to get back there for a while. So. Okay, as you go through the main, that little tunnel thing to get to there, that was that Wild West show. And this is the western part of the island. I guess there's many themed areas, but none of them make any sense because they're all different, you know. So we're going to head down that way. There's a shooting gallery, photo place. This is one of the nicer parts of the park because of the trees. There's hardly any trees. There's a little lake or stream or something. It's like a small little stream. You rent boats. You want to row a boat, and it's about 80 degrees there in the cloud in the sky. That's about the last thing in the world I want to do, but there's a dinosaur over there. What the heck is he doing? But I guess it's a fantasy island thing. And just, yeah, I guess you go around. Look, I guess you make the loop. You go all the way around, you come back, I guess. Boy, that does not look like fun. Dog and taco shop, a yum yum shop. New York, for some reason, got more places to eat. I know in Darien Lake, I was surprised how many eateries they have. This park's about the same. Okay, we're going to go over this wee little footbridge up to the main part of the park where the people seem to be coming in now. But, well, we did get our eyes on that coaster. There's a picnic area, I guess, to the left, and up here would be Belgian waffle. There you can see the coaster, and to the right, a slide ride. This is where we're going to be heading. Parks that still have this, you climb up here with the little rug and slide down it. Not too many parks. I can't remember the other park I did film that had this, whether they still have it or not. This is one of the few. A flying blob. That's a frontward backward thing that rocks you back and forth. It didn't look like fun. You can see there's not much trees. This main part of the area, boy, it is brutal. There ain't a cloud in the sky. For some reason, they neglected to put the trees here. But we're going to check out this coaster. Looks like somebody else just checked it out. Marsha and Barb. You can see there's no crowd. There's nobody here. There's less people here than we were calling out a couple Sundays ago, so we're riding it to death. And it is fantastic. I'll try to describe it. If you're going to Darien Lake, you got to stop here first. Hi, Marsha. How you like the Comet? Okay, man. Go ride some more.
We go ride some more then.
Okay. It's a facade, the Silver Comet, they call it. It's a fantastic woody. You can see the clay lines, but there's nobody here. You just walk right up and on it. You hardly wait for the front seat, which is good because they only have the one car. See a nice sized lift hill. Takes you to the top. I'm going to try to catch it coming down. There she goes. The twists and turns on this thing are amazing. I'm probably going to lose it. Yeah, I did. But I mean, this thing is amazing. What gets us is the second half of the ride is faster than the first half. It gets out and it twists around in itself there. And it just keeps picking up speed. It gets faster and faster. Wait till you see this thing when it comes into the loading zone. Unbelievable. Not done yet. We got a couple more loops. But we were so astonished. The thing is just getting faster and faster and faster. Okay, that's it coming into the loading zone. Look at that. Yeah, they slam on the brakes, boy. That is a fantastic ride. Unbelievable. The Silver Comet. The pirate ship ride. It's running, but there's just nobody here to ride it. And I'll try to get more of the coaster, but there's the shadiest spot in the park right there. That's an arcade, and there's an arcade. Looks like a scrambler type ride here. Ski ball in the back there. Chaos ride as we go up this little way right here. You ever see a video arcade this wide open? I mean, look, there's the floor. I mean, it's not cluttered like some of them are all jammed up with games and stuff. This one isn't. You got a bumping car ride in the back. Typical. Look at nice big prizes here. Try to win. You throw the thing on a bottle. There's a
Hey, what do you say?
chaos ride. I've seen a lot of them. I think Niagara Lake or Cedar Point has them. Don't look good.
What do you think?
We're riding just about empty.
It's time for more good times and great oldies, huh?
Oh, what's this? And you start spinning it up. Not a good idea. We're gonna go past on that naturally. We'll head up there to Boppers and beyond that. They got a million places to eat already. New York is just unbelievable by that Boppers. They got a Cinema 180. It's like they stuck a little kiddie ride in the big people's park there. What the heck it is? Oh, just a bunch of trucks. Over here it's called the Patriot. Another puke machine. They sure do look like it. Down that past the water. Oh, excuse me. Down that past the water park. We'll get that in a minute as soon as I get the rest of the rides. You can see there's hardly any shade and stuff. There ain't a cloud in the sky. We're dying. I'm in a great spot to try to get this coaster. I think. I can see it. One train is kind of tough. You got to try and time everything. This is fantastic. We are so pleased with it. taking a speed. It just keeps getting faster and faster when it goes back in, boy. Look out. A lot of twists. And it's quite unusual for it to get faster, but it does. For some reason, the dang thing just keeps going and going. You can see it's taking a speed. That thing is moving. And now I'm back to the station. Yeah, they got a roundup ride here. You know, rides like, you know, the older parks have the tilt-a-whirls and stuff like that. It's groved areas if you wanted to. Well, there's a map. And you can get the whole park. If this is taken, the sun's right in my eyes. Fried dough stand, mother of God. What the hell could that be? They have a little stage area, I guess big for these people, but they have some kind of show, I guess, that goes on here in the busier times. More picnic rows and to the right, yeah, there's the old tilt-a-whirl. I keep saying not too many parks have them, but the way I've been filming lately, they all have them. There's a pizza joint, kind of pizza stuff. And to the right of that is the antique cars, a nice car ride. In the mood to take it easy. Here they have another, I wonder what that was. It's just another picnic grove. And to the right, this is the Wildcat. This is the only claim to fame this park had before they built the Woody, so it would have never came to this park just for that. So, typical Lakemont type wild mouse, nothing outstanding. To the right of that is the Wonder Wheel. Oh. And to the left of the coaster, they have their log ride. We look, there's about 30 people lined up, and what the problem is, they only have 2 logs. 2 logs running in the hole. So we passed on it. You figure they're going to take forever to get on it. So. But they do have a log ride. Now we'll check out the water park. You're past the Patriot here. That goofy looking thing. What you do, you go to the, I shouldn't be doing this. If you go to the left, there's this little path, and that takes you to the water park. To the left of the Patriot to the water park. It's nice. You take a right. You got the wooden trees and the flowers and everything. Now this don't look that bad at all. We'll check out the water park. Walk down that path to the right. Oh, the thing I love most. Oh, that looks good. Mother of God, does that look. The lazy river. Huh? Let's see what we got. Okay. On the right is the lazy river. There's the path. To the left looks like a little kiddie area. Something for the smaller kids, a small wading type pool. Follow that lazy river around. You can see the big giant slides, some smaller slides, and to the left the snack bar. So we're getting near the big pool again. But a small water slide just for kids. I haven't seen that in any park before. It's not that tall. You can see there's a little kid's going to try to come down and see how he does.
Oh, you're here. They've been around.
He ain't coming very fast, is he?
It's all right.
No, it's a start. You see at the bottom there's a wee little wading pool.
You're going
To the left of the line. No wonder nobody's on a coaster. Everybody's in the oh my God, look at it. Everybody's in a water park. I guess that is.
They told me.
The snack bar and those big high slides. We're gonna pan real quick. I shouldn't do this. I hate myself when I do this. I do it again. There's they have a wave pool. Boy, does this look good. Yeah, they got their wave. Looks like they have the continuous wave thing. But it's like, I think, $12 to get in this place. Holy mackerel. We rode the coaster to death. We should have done something with the water park. Amazing. I'd never find out about this place if it wasn't for that doggone ace thing about the coaster. You can see this a little area. There's not much shade. Over there, there's some umbrellas. Everything is. We're heading back towards the front of the place with the locker and everything. Boy, this is one sweet little park. If you're going to Darien Lake, you ought to stop here. Yeah, as you can see, everybody's in a water park. Oh my God, look at that.
Stand up.
And that's going to do it for Fantasy Island. Love the place.